Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to learn about for loops, right? So, what is the use case of for loop? So, let's say you want to execute a particular statement multiple times, right? So, at that particular case, you are going to make use of for loops, all right? So, let us see a general example over here. Let me create a new file. Okay. So, let's say that you want to print a statement three times. Okay. So, what would be your initial step? So, your initial step would be print hello. And what if you want to specify a person's name over here, right? So hello Ramesh, hello Suresh, right? So you have to write three statement over here. What if the list is long? So how you are supposed to do that? All right. So that is something which we are going to figure out today. And in order to understand that particular concept, we are going to make use of for loop. Okay. So the first thing what I want you to do is let us first consider that you want to print numbers from 1 till 20. Okay, so what you will be doing, you are just going to create, you are just going to type print and just going to jot down the numbers from 1 till 20. So that will eat up your 20 lines. Okay. However, that can be easily done in four line of code. How? Let's see. So you just need to type for I in range, and here we would specify the range. So it would start from 1 and it will I want that it should print till 20. So here I will write 21. Okay, so that's the one thing that you have to remember, that the end point that you want to print, you just have to add 1 to it and just print the end range, then followed by this colon, and then you have to print I over here. That's it. And this will print the range, and it will print from 1 till 20. When you execute this program, you can see that it has printed the number. So two lines of code have saved your 20 lines of code work, right? Let me comment this stuff out. Now we are going to see the first example which we were talking about. Okay, so how it was working, it was just traversing through the range one by one and it has printed it down, right? Now what we are going to do is we are just going to create a list and I'm going to store names into it. So let us store Barry, Ben, Akash, Himan, Abhinay, and the last one would be Jordan. Okay, so this is the list. Now let's say I want on the console that I want to print hello followed by the name and a custom message for these people, right? So how many people are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. So in order to do that, you will take six individual line to print the code. However, that can be done easily with few lines of code. How? Let's see. So you just need to type for I in names, okay, a colon, and then you have to type a print message. First of all, I'm just going to print I over here just for your clarification. What does it does, right? So basically, what it is doing is it is just going to traverse through the list, okay, one by one. Okay, we are going to see both the things. What will happen when I print I and what will happen when I print name. Okay, first thing we are going to print I over here, and as per the result, it is printing one by one all the names just one below the another. Now, what if I change this I with the name of the list itself? It is just going to print the entire list. See, so it has printed the entire list, the number of times it has been repeating, right? So let us replace this by I. Okay, and we discussed that we want to print something like hello followed by the name and a custom message, right? So here we would be writing it something like this way. So it would be hello, and the I would be the name. Okay, and here we will be giving a space over here and a space over here. Okay, hello and welcome to the team. Okay, and now when I execute the program, you can see that all the messages are being printed with the custom name and custom messages for all of them. Okay, so the space is a bit long for all of them, so just reducing the space and re-executing the program. just for the formatting and stuff. And you can see that we have printed the entire statement in just 2 lines of code. Okay, so in order to reduce human effort and the length of code, we make use of for loops. All right. Hope you got today's concept and see you in the next lecture. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.